Hi there. Are you an aspiring undergraduate looking for future career options in New Zealand? How about a career that touches people's lives in a way no other profession can? Well, studying healthcare courses will lead you to greater career opportunities within the specialized fields of New Zealand healthcare industry. Let me tell you, currently there is a huge demand for dedicated and qualified healthcare workers in New Zealand, and this industry is growing very fast globally. Earn more while doing what you love. Supercharge your health career with various course levels. With a great blend of practical work and theory, plus clinical placement, you will be in hot demand with employers once you graduate. There is a wide range of specialties you may want to choose within healthcare sector. Pursue an undergraduate or postgraduate level course with any of these specialties like community healthcare, aged care, disability support and rehabilitation, infection risk management or social work. These industry-respected qualifications will lead you to challenging roles in the palliative and aged care, disability support, rehabilitation, health promotion, and primary health care sectors where you can make a real difference. So, what is the holdup? Call us today to learn more about the courses. We will assist you right from the enrollment until visa application process with high integrity and quality.